बेनावली ZP इलेक्शन्स आज लास्ट डे कॅम्पेनिंगाचो म्हणजे तुका मेळ्या सद्याक बेनावली ZP इलेक्शन्स कशें पळयता तूं तुमच्या ZP कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन?
बेनावली ZP इलेक्शन इट इज अनफॉर्च्युनेट कितें आहा ताचो मातशें मरे एक इलेक्शन आमकां नाका जालें. पयलीं लोकसभा जाला 2 or 3 वर्स पयले ZPचें जाल्लें आतां परतें मागीर आनी 1 वर्स उरलां आनी इलेक्शन. सो बेनावली people are not very happy because इलेक्शना फाटलें इलेक्शना फाटलें इलेक्शन. आतां कितें जालां सगळे अलायन्स म्हणटाय. Now everybody wants Congress votes. Everybody wants say we are secular. So who is communal? See, this is the question. Now we are only creating enmities among fishermen, among taxi drivers, among panchayat members. This election are basically ground election. Grassroots level. So इतूमध्ये इतले hype जावपाक जायना. I never seen such a big hype election like ZP Bipol, which only have more than just a year. So इतले मध्ये why to create so much of hype? I don't understand. So I think it is a very it is not sad, but it's kind of disturbing to see all are our known people. सगळे candidate आमचे ओळखीचे. So तांकां उमेद आहा. So let them ask their votes on their own. So that is I think is the best thing to ask the vote on their own, not on party lines, because tomorrow there is a division. As panchayat level, zilla level, it is have to leave it up to the local people, local issues. There is nothing to do with central issues or state election. कितें ZP म्हणल्यार एक शेड बांदपाची, एक नाला बांदपाचो, एक रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदपाचें, एक distribution of a few items for the panchayat. So I think this is not very good.
At the moment, don't you feel that a ZP Bipol सोडून assembly election कहाँ दिसता पळय?
See, these are all interest of the leaders. This is nothing to do with how you create a hype. Here, सगळे 2027 लांक चयता, कळ्ळें तुका न्हू? So I think that is not good. See, my politics is different. I go with the flow. I go with what I feel. Now I am in the panchayat. Now the candidates approach me. Okay, our ward members, our panch members, they are supporting according to the person, not according to the party, because party is जावपाक शकना, because you are in the alliance and Benaवली is a Congress dominated one or whatever India alliance तुम्ही गठबंधन म्हणटाय. So इतून division कित्याक जावपाक जाय? Election आसपाक जाय नासलेलें. One candidate who wants to work for the people should have been declared, but there is some misunderstanding or miscommunication which I don't know. And I think whoever is the ZP, I have to work with him. This is my funda. I like to work with whoever comes.
So तुका हेज्या बरोबर तेज्या बरोबर दुस्मान काय ना? कोण बाबा ZP जातालो तेज्या बरोबर तूं आसतलो?
No, I'll tell you, so far only Royala have approached me and आमचो girlfriend Popu. And Popu, I know him for many years and he is a youth leader. आणि आमचो जो हेच्या पयली इलेक्शनां देखून हांव तेजे बरोबर जायत पाटी पळयलें ताका. So he only 2 candidates approached me. Other candidate never approached me. So I cannot tell you about other things. But I think हे दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट येयला आमचे कडेन. सो आमचे कडेन हेल्प मागला. सो आय थिंक the winner will be decided by the people who will talk about their work, not on party.
Where does Dixon stand?
See, my stand is very clear. As I said, this cannot be politicized. I सांगलें, दुसऱ्यान सांगलें, सगळेच चोयताय ते 27 आपणागे चोयताय आनी सपोर्ट कोत्ताय. Dixon is not like that. This has to be left to the people. As I said to you, only 2 candidates approach me, and one is Royala, one is Popo. So we have to see what they have told us. Am kit kotlay, tu kit korpa shakta. So their ideas are in front of me. So my panch members, my villagers will decide what is good for them.
Thank you.